Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to find Instagram users near me. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So after opening your Instagram application, click on the search icon and now click on search box, and from here click on places and click on nearby places, and from here you have to select location. So I'm going to select this one, and if you click on recent, you will find all the recent posts to Instagram near users. If you click any of them photos, you can get their profile, so you can easily follow them from here. You can message them from here. So this is the way we can find Instagram users near you. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.